India has sent thousands of more troops to occupied Kashmir, already the most militarized zone in the world. New Delhi has ordered deployment of over 500 companies, approximately 50,000 personnel of the Central Armed Police Forces in Kashmir. The deployment has been ordered in view of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the territory on June 21. Indian troops have continued cordon and search operations in Doda, Reasi, Rajouri and Kathua district. The Indian Army paramilitary and the police personnel continued operations in Gando, Chhattargala and other hilly areas of the Doda district. Indian Forces personnel arrested 3 Kashmiri youth in the Kupwara district. The occupation troops arrested the 3 persons during cordon and search operation in Karna area of the district. All parties Hurriyat Conference has called for a complete shutdown in occupied Kashmir on Friday, June 21 against the scheduled visit of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the territory. Call for the strike has been announced by the advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, APHC spokesperson, in a statement in Srinagar. Mehbooba Mufti-led People's Democratic Party held a protest in the Jammu to express their anger against the failure of the New Delhi-installed administration in occupied Kashmir. The protesters broke through the police barricades and briefly held a sit-in protest near the Jammu Airport Road.